Now we will be solving one problem, okay, by using northwest corner method. Okay. Okay, this is the problem here. Okay, we have 3x4 matrix here. Okay, there is a demand and supply here. First, step one is we need to make this matrix as a standard matrix. How do you make standard matrix? Means whenever the demand and supply are equal, then the matrix is called as a standard matrix. Okay. Now add this demand and add the supply. We'll be getting as 34 and 34. Okay, both are equal. Then this matrix is called as a standard matrix here. That is step one. That is demand must be equal to supply. Okay. Next step is step two. Okay, assign the supply or demand to the allotted cell. Okay, what is cell? Yes, these are nothing but cells here. 19, 20, 50, 99. These are and so on. They are the cells. Okay, here these cells must be allotted by supply and demand here. Okay, how to choose the cells? By using the method, that is northwest corner method. Okay, northwest corner means you need to choose the cells, the northwest corner of the matrix here. Okay, for example, the northwest corner of this matrix is 19 at the end top. Okay, that is this cell that must be allotted by supply or demand. How to allot supply and demand? Whichever is less, you need to assign the supply or demand. You need to assign for this corner, that is northwest corner, that is 7. Okay, sorry, this is 5 here. 5 is the minimum. You need to assign that one value. Okay, here you need to subtract the supply by the allotted value, that is 5. Here this will be equal to 2 here. This is 0. Okay, next we need to eliminate either what row or column. How to eliminate the row or column? Whichever the supply is, if whichever is 0, that must be eliminated. If the demand is 0, the column must be eliminated, and if the supply is 0, the row must be eliminated. In this case, demand is 0 here. That means this column will be eliminated. Okay, from the matrix. Okay. Now after this elimination, the third step is again go for allotment of the northwest corner cell. Okay, in this one again 20 is the cell, that is northwest corner cell, and this must be assigned by supply or demand. Okay, here demand is 2, so demand is 8 and supply is 2. Whichever is less must be assigned here, that is 2, and this must be subtracted by this demand or supply. 8 minus 2 is 6 here. Okay, here the supply is 0, eliminate the first row here. Next, the next step will be remaining with what? This matrix, that is 30, 40, 60, 8, 70, 20. Okay, now this is the northwest corner cell, and 6 and 9 are the demand and supply. Okay, here demand is less than supply, and demand value must be assigned for this cell, that is 6. Okay, again subtract the allotted value. 9 minus 6, it is 3. Okay, now 0 is demand is 0, then we need to eliminate this column. Okay, next we will be left with what? 40, 60 and 70, 20 matrix here. Okay, again this is the northwest corner, and 3 must be 7 and 3 must be allotted. Okay, here 7 minus 3 it is 4, and 3 minus 3 it is 0. Okay, here supply is 0, and this row, entire row will be eliminated, and we will be left with what? Only 70, 20. Okay, here 17 in these two cells, this is the northwest corner. Okay, and what? 4 is the demand, 18 is the what? Supply. Okay, here 4 is less than 18, and 4 must be allotted in this one, and this will be 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Here 40, 80 minus 4 is 40. And at last, the last cell will be 20. Okay, 20 we must allocate to the remaining one, 40 and 40. Okay, at last this must be 0 and 0. Okay, last will be 0 and 0. Now we need to go for the final matrix. Final matrix is nothing but the matrix with allotted values. With allotted values, that is it is 19, 20, 30, 40, 70. But these are cells, allotted values is 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 14 respectively. Okay, now at last initial basic feasible solution is equal to the allotted value into the cell value, 5 into 19 and plus 20 into 2 plus 6 into 30 plus 3 into 40 plus 4 into 70 plus 40 into 20. The value of this is 2100 rupees. This is the initial basic feasible solution of this problem by using northwest corner method. Okay, the same way we need to do for the other methods and compare the values and get the lesser value of the IBFS, it is initial basic feasible solution.